This grain is extremely popular in Russia and Ukraine and is served at least one time a week as a breakfast or as a side dish with fish and meat. Do you know which grain I'm talking about? It's buckwheat. When I was a little girl, my mother used to make me this amazing porridge with milk and buckwheat, and I kind of liked it. No, I didn't. I was sick of it because it was everywhere, in the kindergarten, in the college, in school, everywhere. However, now I do understand why buckwheat is so popular in the post-Soviet countries. Buckwheat is rich with minerals, fiber and proteins. Despite its name, buckwheat, it is not related to wheat and is gluten-free. When cooked with the right ingredients, buckwheat is extremely delicious and has a very unique taste. You should try it once. Let's start by cooking buckwheat. Place 1 cup of buckwheat groats and 2 cups of cold water in a saucepan and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. Dice 1 onion and half of eggplant into small pieces. Slice 5 to 6 mushrooms. Cut a couple of sun-dried tomatoes in half. Slice some goat cheese. In the meanwhile, our buckwheat is ready, so I will add some olive oil and sea salt. Now let's make caramelized onions. Add onions in a pan and fry until they become soft and golden, and add 1 tablespoon of honey and balsamic vinegar. Stir for another 2 minutes. Now fry the mushroom slices with eggplant cubes. Add the fried vegetables into a bowl. Add your cooked buckwheat, some parsley, add some olive oil and salt, some black pepper, and it's ready. Enjoy! Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.